Alright guys, well hey, what's going on everybody? So now today we just finished cleaning the C4 Corvette. I'm about to show you guys the footage that we got of it right now. But out here with us today, we have the 1998 Chevrolet Corvette C5. Sitting out here and down here a little bit farther down in the driveway. We have the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Parked halfway in the driveway and parked halfway in the road. We have the Chevy Cruze parked on the road, and we also have the Chevy Malibu parked on the road. So we have a little bit of some stuff planned. You guys enjoy the footage. Alright, so now we're just about to wash the C4 Corvette. So it's going to be an incredible, this is going to be the first time I think I've actually ever filmed us washing this car, and it's going to be great. To get the SS parked, we actually have to park it in the middle of the road and also park in the middle of the driveway. So it's kind of a bit of an unorthodox run, but we're going to be washing the C4, not the C5, but yeah. This has to be the smoothest I've ever seen the C4. If the window's up at all, you can really get a good real look on how this car really looks with the roof on it. It's incredible. I mean, look at it. It really does make it look a whole lot smoother with the roof on it. A lot of them think that most people are not going to be taking this car on the road with the roof up. People really want to get the open air experience. So most people you see with one of these are going to probably drive this thing at every single time with the roof up. Alright, so now we're starting the washing process, the C4. Like I said right now, the soap does smell really good though. Look at this big old mix of cars we got out here with us today. Got the Malibu, the Cruze, the C5, the SS, and the C4 Corvette, which we're currently washing. I mean, we're not going to be washing any of these cars anytime soon, but hopefully the thing is that we will be washing some of these in a future video. So you guys have to stay tuned for when we do wash these. Rinsing it off a little bit more, washing the exhausts. Now we are drying her off. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all. Just look how much cleaner the C4 Corvette looks now. She looks extremely clean. Well, alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. So now I decided I'm not going to be showing my face for a couple reasons. Because everybody I'm filming always wants me to blur their face. So what I decided I was going to do instead was not show my face at all. At least you guys already know what I look like. So I'm going to be making this to where I'll blur all the faces, all the other faces that do not want to be shown. I'm going to be figuring out a way to blur out the license plates. So that's what I'm going to be trying not to do. So I'm going to be trying to work on my editing, trying to blur everything I can. So anyway guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys have not yet already, go follow me on my social medias. They will be linked in the description down below. I'll also be leaving a pop-up right up here if you guys want to go check out. If you guys want to go check out a couple other videos that you guys might want to go watch, up here is today's shout out though. Popping up right now. Alright? Popping up right now. Alright, that's where it is right now. Anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Peace out.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola.